it is firstly it was mainly used for the remote accessing, but nowadays, or it is majorly it is a dream of a hacker that he installed a Trojan there on their prey or user. If once this Trojan is installed, in that case he may start your PC, he may shut down your PC, he may switch off your sound, he may take your all data, he may access your all the directories or the file system. So a hacker can deploy a Trojan, and where it will deploy, it will embed it inside the software component. Sometimes you got a picture image and many images or greeting cards or certain job openings. It is maybe possible that you are opening with the help of inside the inbox, and if you are clicking on that Trojan get installed on your PC, and maybe there is a Trojan embedded in the picture. So you can send or embed any software inside the picture, inside the movie, inside the audio, anything you can be embedded. So he can embed on the VM. The simplicity of self-provisioning new virtual server on an IaaS platform creates a risk that an insecure virtual server will be created. Since it is very easy, a new virtual server are creating, and it is a very easy process, but it is also less secure and dangerous as well. He may take any hacker may take advantage of this simplicity and attack on the VMs. So here are the some of the recommendation which a cloud service provider and user must follow so that the attack can be less. Why I am saying the attack may be less? You can't say that this is the world first 100% foolproof system. Means it cannot be vulnerable or it cannot be hacked. Nobody can say that. Even the most secured nuclear reactor software may also be hacked. What you can do? You may much more difficult to any hacker to hack your system. But if somebody is decided to hack your system, that is the possibility that after 1 year, 2 year, or 5 year, 10 year, he may hack your system. So use a secure by default configuration. Your default configuration must be secure. Harden what you can do, harden your image. What is it means harden of image here? Suppose you want a certain application to run on the server. So what you will do? You remove all other applications. You remove all other facilities from the virtual server, like it is providing the FTP, Telnet, SSH. What you will do? If your application requires only the HTTP port, then there will be your virtual server will be customized as per the requirement of application, minimum requirement of the application. What will happen of doing this? A certain hacker, if you are attacking, firstly you will not find the open port. Second thing, your application, your server has very less resources which is constrained to the application. In that case, you may not organize any attack. Like you cannot attack on Nokia 1100 because there is very basic facility there. Okay. Same thing, the old phone, the keypad phone, you will not be hacked because it has very less power, it has very less resources. Second thing, what he can do, track the inventory of the VM images and OS versions that are prepared for the cloud hosting. means all the VM images must be tracked. Okay, and there will not remain any possibility that a attacker can introduce a new image. Protect the integrity of the hardened image from the unauthorized access. You are making a hardened image, then you must satisfy that it will not be unauthorized access. Safeguard the private key required to access host in the public cloud. Means you required a private key when you are making your cloud as public. Next one is in general, isolate the decryption key from the cloud where the data is hosted. You are hosting certain data, and for sending and receiving you are using the encryption and decryption. In that case, you will not place your decrypt key with the data.